The next stage of this journey is the architect of open heart. Once the initial shock wears off, you are faced with a structural problem. How do you stay open to people who are actively trying to close you down? This is where the wisdom of 1 Kings 8:27 becomes your blueprint. Solomon acknowledged that even the most magnificent temple couldn't contain God, yet he built the temple anyway as a point of connection. In this episode, you learn to build a life that is accessible but not unprotected. You are an open book, but you are the one holding the pen. Keeping your heart empathetic towards those who envy you requires a heavenly perspective. Recognizing that their bitterness is a symptom of their own confinement, not a flaw in your freedom. You learn to offer them grace without giving them the power to edit your joy. It is the practice of being blameless while being misunderstood, knowing that your unfailing treasure isn't their approval but your alignment with God's purpose. Stay tuned. See you on the next episode.